Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'll show you how to make your account public on X. At first, open the app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. Tap on the top left corner. Here you can see key locked icon beside your name, which means that your profile is locked. Now tap on the lowest tab, that is settings and support, and tap on settings and privacy. Here you can see various setting options. Tap on privacy and safety. Now tap on the first option, that is audience and tagging. Tap on the both tabs, that is protect your posts and protect your videos. Here you can see the locked icon has disappeared, which means that your account is now public. And that is, guys, how you can make your account public on X. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.